Welcome to Living Like a Local, a week in a traditional Italian village. In this video, we'll take you on a journey to a small village in Tuscany, where you'll experience the true essence of Italy. Our goal is to give you an authentic taste of local life, from food and culture to history and tradition. So join us as we immerse ourselves in the beauty and charm of this magical region. As we step off the train in Tuscany, we're immediately transported to a different world. The air is crisp and clean, and the scent of fresh herbs and flowers fills our senses. The landscape is breathtakingly beautiful, with rolling hills and vineyards as far as the eye can see. This is where we'll spend the next week, living like locals in a traditional Italian village. Our first stop is a small cafe, where locals gather to chat over espresso and pastries in the morning. We order cappuccinos and croissants and take a seat at a table outside. The sun is just starting to rise, and the air is cool and refreshing. As we sip our coffee and watch the locals go about their daily routine, we feel a sense of peace and contentment. This is what living like a local is all about. Next, we meet a local farmer who takes us on a tour of his vineyard. He explains how the grapes are grown and harvested, and we get to taste some of the delicious wine they produce. We learn about the history of the region and the importance of agriculture in Italian culture. It's fascinating to see how much pride the locals take in their land and their traditions. Later in the week, we visit a family-owned pasta factory, where we get to see how pasta is made from scratch. The process is intricate and time-consuming, but the result is a delicious and authentic product that's sold throughout the region. The family is warm and welcoming, and we feel like part of their family by the time we leave. Throughout the week, we explore the village and its surroundings, taking in the sights and sounds of this beautiful region. We visit ancient churches and landmarks, try local delicacies like truffles and wild boar, and take leisurely walks through the countryside. It's a slow and relaxing pace of life that's a welcome change from our busy city routine. As our week in Tuscany comes to a close, we feel grateful for the opportunity to experience the beauty and charm of this traditional Italian village. Living like a local has given us a deeper understanding and appreciation of Italian culture and tradition. We encourage you to take a similar journey and explore the world around you. Who knows what wonders you'll discover? Thank you for joining us on Living Like a Local, a week in a traditional Italian village. We hope you enjoyed the journey as much as we did. Arrivederci.